This is our 2008 Ford Fusion that kept coming up with a code po410 and po491, I think. And this is what we did to fix it. We're going to replace with these parts right here. This is what I went to Ace Hardware, and I got this 1/2-inch steel insert male adapter. And what we're going to do is we're going to probably put some thread tape on here. But this is a one-way check valve. You can blow through it on one side and not the other. So this is going to replace, and we bought a relay. I don't know which one it's going to be, but we went and bought, let's see, that's a store number, that's an order number, location. I don't know what the part number is. Oh, there we go. We'll go with this. That's the relay number. So we live about 20 miles. No, not 20 miles. How far is that, Caitlin? It is like 18 miles, isn't it? Down to Queensbury. So we live quite a ways away from the parts store. So when I buy parts, I kind of, if it's a question, I'll usually have to buy 2 or 3 parts and then bring back the other one, because it's not worth the gas money to go down there. So what we're going to do here is let me get the light. This part was they wanted $200 for this this thing here. This is the secondary air pump. This is not the air pump that we're going to replace, but we hot wired the secondary air pump, and what we did was we jumped. This is the relay for the secondary air pump. What we were getting was a po410 and po491 code out of the computer. So I bought a new relay. I'm going to replace this relay, because if I jump this, then if I jump this, it works. So the pump works. So instead of spending $200 on replacing this I forgot what it was called, air modulator, some stupid part. So where that clamp is right there is going to be one side, and we're going to block this tube off right here, this tube that goes to it, and then the other one that goes out on the other end is where we hook the tube to. So, okay, I'll turn you back on when I get some better light maybe, or something figured out, alright? Okay, I went ahead and saved some time real quick. This was mounted right here. You could probably see it in the last little part of the video, but I didn't want to show all that struggle and cussing and stuff. So this unplugged off there. What we're going to do is we're hooking this line right here, that one down there, and that one down there, right down there. Yep, you can see it real good. We're going to hook that to this new deal here. This was 17 bucks for this at the auto parts store. And this I went to Ace Hardware got, and I showed the part number in the last video. So I think they said the flow needs to go to the firewall. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it needs to go like that. Yeah, because this side is the compressor side, and that side's the exhaust side. So my camera girl, Caitlin, is going to hold this for me and try to get you guys the best angle we can. So I'm not sure. I think we'll try this down side first. And we're going to stick this on like that. And it's got some good ridges on there, so we should be able to get a good seal on there. After I drop the pliers I need to move that. I should have moved the thing around first. They didn't even hit the ground. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Right where?
You can reach in there. There you go.
There we go. Okay. lighting's horrible. I bought some new LED lights from Harbor Freight. They get them on sale, 20 bucks a piece, and they're really good lights. They're just hard to catch them when they're on sale. So I try to buy everything I can when I know if I know it's going to be on sale. There's no sense in wasting money. Alright, so we'll get this absolute pain. Okay, and then we'll pull that up right a little bit more. Yeah, this part's $200, and I found this online. I was just trying to figure out how to diagnose this, and the guy said that this is what they did, and several people have said they've done it, and it's worked out pretty good. So, and then we'll put this end on here. So what this does is this is the secondary air pump. And the pump works. So that's why they said it's probably this valve. And I went ahead and replaced the relay. I'll show you guys where that one was here in a second. This whole car is a pain. Can't put anything anywhere. Okay. Alright, so that's on there. Now we'll go ahead and grab these. Maybe we use these. Maybe these will work better. Better angle on it. Yeah, you just gotta not squeeze it too much because they have a lock on them and it'll lock open. I did that yesterday. And it locked open on me. So you can't squeeze it past that little tab right there. Alright, so there we go. I just hope that's sealed enough. And then, so then what we got to do is no jobs complete until the zip ties are broke out. So they said to zip tie this up to the old bracket, but I really don't think that makes sense to. So all we're going to do now is stick a screw in here because the new bracket. So that replaces this little guy right here. Let's see if we can test it. Oh wow. Yeah, it won't blow through either side. I don't know, maybe you need to apply pressure to that first. Yuck. Okay, so, and this is the relay we replaced. It's in the spot that it says. I tried to swap it with these, but this is a different size relay for some reason. So I'm going to button all this back up and put a screw in that and probably test it out, go for a ride. I don't know though, because the wrong ABS sensor. So I don't know if I'm just going to throw the old one back in, try to clean it, throw the old one back in. That's what I might do for now because I got other projects, I got other walkarounds and stuff to do. So we're going to go ahead and put this cap back on here. Just like that. Make sure all the parts are out from under the hood. These are the two screws from the old bracket here. So, alright, we're going to call that quits for now. If you like my content, hit the like button. Comment, tell me what you think about this. If you've seen this delete done before, it still works. The emission system still works. It's just a cheaper valve. So, comment, tell me what you guys think, and subscribe to my channel, please. I got a lot of content. Work pretty hard on trying to get stuff set up for you guys, and tell my camera girl thank you. for helping me, and we'll get on to the next project. Do the right thing. Bye.